systems loss na yun, no? In fact, even though yung mga sadyang nag-pilfer, hindi lang naman siya nagsabi nung pass on, lahat tayo, pinasa niya yung ginawa natin. Kaya nga, yun talaga kailangan i-correct natin. So we share that. I think the discussion now in Congress and is really to amend the IPIRA law. And perhaps ako personally, ang nakikita ko doon is to lower. Right now, we're allowed 10.25. We're in the Luzon grid. Allowed tayo ng 10.25 to pass on the system's loss. But we are at 8, so we're way below doon sa allowed na pass on. Yung 8%, if I'm not mistaken, is about 60 cents, 50, around 60 cents. No? Ang tingin ko dyan, I'm talking to the engineers and yung mga siguro yan mga 6, mga ganon, yung technical systems loss. Kasi there's technical and non-technical systems loss. So, siguro mga 5, 6 yung technical systems loss and another 1 or 2% na based on operations na pilferage. Yung mga meter natin, hindi marunong magbasa, pababa magbasa, di ba? Whether sadya or by mistake, di ba? That's all systems loss. So, yun yung more kailangan i-correct natin. No? Mahaba pa yung, hindi naman mahaba, kung maset ng Congress yan na ang systems loss dapat nasa mga 6 or 5 lang, nasa 8 tayo, at least konti na lang yung bubuluhin natin. No? At anything na lampas dyan, yun lang ang pwede, yun, sagot na ng easy. No? And I think, ang talagang makatanungan din yan, wala nang VAT. Isa rin kasi yan sa mga nakakaad sa pagtaas ng presyo ng kuryente, yung VAT. No? So at least doon sa systems loss, dapat wala nang VAT doon sa over, doon sa ipapas. No? Right now, talagang marami yung nagreklamo. Yung VAT is added to the systems loss na pinapass on. So aside from the pass on, may VAT tayo. So talagang medyo hindi talaga parang hindi makatalungan yun, to say the least. So rest assured, your ENET is doing everything para yung I call it itong topic of the month for electric cooperatives. Yung systems loss na yan maibaba. No? And tayo, kahit na pa paano, medyo maganda-ganda po yung standing natin. We're at 8% single digit for the systems loss. May mga ibang ECO. Siyempre, hindi ko na i-mention. Yung mga ibang EC, meron no, mga 20 to 30% ang systems loss. But yung pag-improve ko kasi ng mga linya, caution. Malaking caution. Yung mga ibang linya natin, maliit for certain areas. Pagka maliit yun, dapat malaki, may nawawalang loss of physics yan, may nawawalang kuryente doon. So, all of that adds to systems loss. We're also embarking on smart meters that will also help us pagka nagka-smart meters na tayo. But again, that is also cost. Smart meter is more expensive than the regular meter that we're using now. But all of that, unti-unti natin. Hopefully, I'm confident naman na yung 8% may ibababa pa natin. Probably siguro 1 or 2 more percentage, and that will really help us para to lower our electricity. which by the way, as of hindi na magbuhat ako ulit ng bangko, no? Ang inyo pong INEC, as of July, the June rates, I think we're number 4 lowest in Luzon and number 7 or 8 lowest in the whole country. So, ganyan po kababa compared to the others. Ang rate po ng residential dito po sa Ilocos Norte.
May target